In the few recent years, we have seen some huge wildfires in different parts of our country and all over the world in general that are primarily caused by climate change. It is a disaster that takes the lungs of our planet and threatens us with the specter of drought. I am talking about the monster of global warming and how it's the reason for this harsh, unforgiving reality that is taking a toll because of its increasingly frequent, severe, and devastating wildfires. To the data provided on NASA's website, the global temperature has increased by an average of 1.01 degrees Celsius since the pre-industrial period in 1980. A number that is currently increasing by 0.2 degrees Celsius per decade according to GISTMP team in 2021, which is driven by the increasing of the carbon dioxide emissions into the atmosphere. And as this following video shows, you'll notice how obvious the increasing temperature on Earth is. In other words, the world is already 1.1 degrees Celsius hotter than it was between 1850 and 19. These anomaly changes in temperature make many environmental problems, including drought, water crisis, and hot heat waves that can kill many people in desert areas and can lead to the beginning of wildfires in different places as seen in our country. The forests of Morocco cover about 9 million hectares. It has lost nearly 30,000 hectares of land to wildfires. Latest example of wildfires was in northern Morocco, Rabat. According to the local authorities, many people were killed by the fires, which forced the evacuation of more than 1,000 families. It has been shown that Morocco has seen 165 fires since the beginning of the year 2022. Morocco has been hit in recent days by soaring temperatures approaching 45 degrees. In order to prevent this, we as star hoppers suggest to redesign our forests as block shapes that prevent the spread of fire in any other areas. And each block is going to contain fire and temperature sensors that are going to detect any sort of fire or high temperature and send it to a local center using GSM model. Or we can use NASA satellite pictures and deploy it to a model which can detect the areas burning in all of the country. To conclude, we can't blame nature for the consequences of our behaviors and what we have done for hundreds of years, but we should rather make a move together in order to help solve these problems and to prevent our country from disasters.